everyone. I'm Catia Scarpelli from Scarpelli Mosaici. We make Commesso Fiorentino in Pietre Dure. It's a very old art form for Florence, Italy. It's special in town and it's only in Florence. You can't see anywhere else around the world. You have the chance to see live demonstration here at the Tucson Fine Mineral Gallery. Commesso Fiorentino is a very old word which means commettere in Italian is to commit, to put together, because of the perfect joints of the pieces. The final effect is like a painting. You are looking at a pictorial composition more than a mosaic, but in fact it's made with many different pieces of stones. The origins are in Florence in the Renaissance with the Medici family. They were importers of stones. They used to import semi-precious stones from all over the world. The Grand Duke Ferdinand I started to create workshops in Florence where they could create the ornaments for their chapel. The Medici chapels, they created their tombs in Florence, and this is one of the most important examples of Commesso Fiorentino that you can find tabletops all over the world, in Florence, but also in Europe, in the main museums around the world, and in auctions in the States. Probably you've seen some of these artworks, but you didn't know how they were made. The origins in our family start with our father. My father was only 13 years old when he started to work. And like it used to be at that time, kids could try to learn an art without being paid. And he could establish his own workshop when he was 22 years old. And then we moved the activity in a larger space. At that time, my brother was only in his dreams, but in fact, he hoped to have a family which could manage the whole activity. Little by little, we could have collaborators, and I was doing a totally different work. I was working for an international company, and I started to work with my family. My brother, he finished his art school and started to work with my father when he was very young, but he had a gift. He's now one of the most important artists, contemporary artists. He loves to make new designs, work on modern and contemporary compositions and ideas. He loves to be inspired by new colors, new materials. That's why we started with the mineral world, and in fact we did important things and we reached very nice challenges in the last years. Now we are located in Florence, in downtown Florence, with a workshop which is open to public. So everyone can come in and discover the art of Commesso Fiorentino, which has very old roots, but it's now in the hands of a new generation, which is going to show you modern and contemporary designs. Let's discover the technique.